Aircraft engines are amazing feats of engineering. They power enormous metal birds thousands of feet in the air. Imagine a world without these engines. We would be stuck on the ground, no soaring above the clouds. These engines are the heart of any aircraft. They provide the thrust needed to overcome drag. Drag is the resistance air puts up against a moving object. Without engines, planes would simply be very large paperweights. They wouldn't get very far. We owe a lot to these powerful machines. They connect us across continents and oceans. How do these engines actually work? It all comes down to a simple principle: thrust. Thrust is a pushing force. In an aircraft engine, thrust is generated by moving a mass of air. The engine sucks in air and squeezes it tightly. This compressed air is then mixed with fuel and ignited. The burning fuel-air mixture expands rapidly. This expansion creates a powerful force. This force pushes the hot gases out of the back of the engine. Newton's third law tells us that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So, as the hot gases shoot backward, they push the plane forward. This forward push is the thrust that propels the aircraft through the air. It's a continuous cycle of sucking in air, compressing, burning, and expelling. There are different types of aircraft engines. Each type uses a slightly different method to generate thrust. Let's look at some of the most common types: turboprops, turbofans, and turbojets. Turboprop engines use a propeller to generate most of their thrust. The hot exhaust gases from the engine turn a turbine. This turbine spins the propeller at the front of the engine. The spinning propeller pulls the aircraft through the air. Turbofan engines are the most common type used in large passenger aircraft. They are a combination of a turboprop and a turbojet. They use a fan at the front to draw in large amounts of air. Some of this air bypasses the engine core and is exhausted directly to provide thrust. Turbojet engines are used in some high-speed aircraft. They work by taking in air, compressing it, adding fuel, and igniting the mixture. The hot gases expand and are forced out of the back of the engine at very high speed, creating thrust. Aircraft engines are complex machines. They require regular maintenance to ensure safe and efficient operation. Think of it like taking care of your car. You wouldn't drive your car for thousands of miles without an oil change, right? Aircraft engines are meticulously inspected. Mechanics check for any signs of wear and tear. They replace parts before they cause problems. Regular maintenance keeps these engines running smoothly. It also prevents potential problems in the air. Safety is the top priority in aviation. That's why aircraft engines undergo rigorous testing and certification. They are designed with multiple redundancies. This means that if one part fails, there is a backup system in place. These engines are marvels of modern technology. They connect our world in ways we never thought possible. The next time you board a plane, take a moment to appreciate the incredible power and complexity of the engines that will be taking you to your destination.